If you are missing most or all of your teeth, you may be wondering whether you should choose traditional dentures or all-on-4 dental implants. I'm Dr. Alan Martinez at Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. Traditional dentures are usually the more affordable option, and they can restore your smile without implant surgery. However, because they are removable, they may move while eating or speaking, and some patients find that they become less comfortable over time as the jawbone changes. All-on-4 is different. We use dental implants to support a fixed full arch restoration. This provides much greater stability and allows many patients to chew and speak with more confidence. Dental implants also stimulate the jawbone, which can help reduce the bone loss that normally occurs after teeth are lost. But All-on-4 isn't automatically the best choice for every patient. Your health, bone structure, dental condition, and budget all need to be considered. At Dr. Mexico Dental Group, we evaluate each patient individually and explain the advantages and limitations of both options. If you're considering dentures or all-on-4 in Tijuana, contact us for an evaluation. We can help you determine which treatment is the better choice for you.